All right, here comes Brian.
I'm so grateful to be here. You know, I finally have a right from that grind in Colorado and can work and try to figure out what my niche is and have all the mental blocks I had in Colorado until I came here. I met all of the people and trying to get more ideas about what I want to do for my website and my social media. And I started thinking, I found more and more about my passion, what I love to share, and who I want to serve. I got all that great ideas. So I finally worked through and I met all people to put together the whole what niche and what I can do for my website. So now I feel like I want to get back home, make it happen.